Alright, just wanted to do a quick little update, because I just got in the mail a ring light. So usually I'm just using those two lights there for filming. They do pretty good, but when you have something dark colored or trying to bring it up to the board, up to the camera view, it's kind of hard to see the boards. So yeah, it was like 20 bucks or something. It's USB powered. I might get a dedicated power supplier for it or something. That way I can keep the one for charging the phone up. I'm currently using the mount that came with it, and then another bar mount that I got, which I was going to use for the camera, but I actually got a more durable mount with this thing that I rigged up from some knockoff GoPro stuff. So yeah, it's just a little ring light. It has that's warm and cool lighting. That's just warm lighting. Maybe if I turn these off, it'll adjust more. So you can kind of see it's much more yellow. And then back to cool. So that mix isn't amazing. It's not horrible, but yeah, I would mostly use the cool light there, and you can knock the brightness down quite a bit, and bring the brightness up quite a bit. But yeah, so previously I was just using these two things, which are kind of hard to focus, and they illuminate stuff around, but not so much directly below. So from this angle, it's probably not super visible. But yeah, adds a fair bit of light, adds a fair bit of bulk to this too. And I have this zip tie just to bring it up a little bit. I have this like flexible mount thing that's extremely stiff and also came slightly rusty at the end for some reason. I might try and use that for this instead. But yeah, that's just a little addition to hopefully make video quality and what you can actually see slightly better. Alright, and so this is the view with the ring light. Basically, the desktop view down there, I'm not sure if that'll change a whole lot. And I'll just have it on maximum brightness here. And then I can tweak it down and all the way up there, and then I can do that's like cold and the warm lights on, and then that one's just the warm lights on, and there's the cold light. But then we'll bring this board up here. So normally I would be trying to show it off in sort of like roughly this kind of light, which, you know, it's not horrible, but then with the actual ring light, it does add that, well, ring of light on the actual thing. But, like if I'm bringing something like right up to the camera to take a look at it, that's just a huge improvement. Same as if I'm trying to show off something with like a blackboard on it or something. I don't have any black circuit boards nearby. Sure, that's kind of dark. So yeah, so then there's like, so I was trying to show off something with a lot of black. Yeah, that's just a lot more that you can see on the frame there. So I think this is going to be a pretty good addition, worth the 20 bucks or whatever it cost. I just have to slightly tweak the positioning and stuff like that. Oh yeah, here's a quick little sort of bonus without the microphone hooked in. I did have to make a quick update to this, so I had to add a cutoff switch because that boost converter circuit does drain this thing until protection goes off. It lasts about 3 days, so I just added a switch on there so that when you close it, it then connects the battery. And so this is one of those things where if I was trying to show you like, oh, there's a circuit board in there, there's no way you're going to be able to see that, but if I go ahead and turn on the ring light, then you can actually see some of the circuit board in there. So yeah, should hopefully improve videos. I don't know, it's probably just going to basically be on all the time. I don't know if it really has much effect on trying to show something that's just like matte black like that. Yeah, a little bit. So yeah, anyways, that's the quick little update thing.